This red is absolutely stunning on you, Maria.
Oh, thank you. I think I'll take this one.
Inside this factory, thousands of pounds of animal lungs are inspected before beginning their journey toward becoming luxury lipstick.
Check the elasticity on that one.
Looks fine to me, send it through.
From animal lungs to luxury lipstick, inside a factory process you've never seen.
These perfect slices are then moved into the extraction tanks, the first step in creating the luxury product. Across the factory floor, dozens of tanks work simultaneously to dissolve the raw material, initiating the transformation into luxury lipstick.
The pigment release is complete.
Excellent saturation. We can begin the transfer.
This crimson liquid, once the lungs of animals, is pressurized and forced through the filters, beginning its transformation into luxury lipstick.
Here we see the thick pigment being transferred to the mixers, where it will be integrated with the wax. The process is precise and methodical.
The measured natural wax blocks are added to the warm red pigment. The wax begins to melt, blending seamlessly to form the creamy base.
The gauge reading is fluctuating slightly here.
Bring that pallet right here. Careful now.
Inventory clear on pallet 7.
Okay, let's get this truck sealed. Looks like we got a tear right here. The seal is definitely broken. Yeah, I see it. Flag this one for immediate correction. A little to the left. Okay, drop it there. Secured.
Control Tower, this is Dock Supervisor. We have green light on Sequence Charlie. All units proceeding to main route.
Easy now, these are the new velvets. Got it, watch the corner.
This shade has blue undertones. It really brightens the smile.
Yeah. What do you think of this matte finish?
It's beautiful, but perhaps a bit bold.
Yeah.
This red looks absolutely stunning on you. It's our best seller.
I love it. The shine is perfect and it feels so moisturizing. Here are your new lipsticks. Thank you for shopping with us today. They look amazing. Thank you.